Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking 3 cards for your daily energies and 3 cards for what your person feels about this connection, guys, and 3 cards for what you feel about this connection. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So these cards are for what your person feels about this connection, and this is for what you feel about this connection, guys. So let us turn the daily energy cards. 4 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, guys. Aquarius, with these cards I see a new beginning here. This may be in your work situation. You may be signing new projects or some kind of financial deals, some investments, or some new collaboration that you may going into, or this may be in your life also. If you are single, you may be seeing some new person approaching you, some kind of new beginning in your love life. Or if you are already in a relationship, you may see this person coming towards you with the next step in your commitment. So they may want to get married to you. Some kind of new change is coming over, guys, and you are really happy in your situation, guys, for how things are going in your work and your personal life. Whatever you have achieved and whatever you have planned for in your life, you are contemplating on all that, reflecting within yourself, and you're happy for it, guys. And few of you all, you may be clinging too much to your things. Maybe you are having a great possessiveness towards your car, house, or the people. You show great attachment to them. You express your love with possessiveness, maybe for some of you all. So you need to keep a check on that, guys. So if you are in a position, in a very good position, you may have to, if you are having people approaching you for some help, you can help them, guys. So that is what the energy with these cards. If you can financially assist them, you can do it in your own way, how much ever you can do. Even if it is a small help, it will be a great change for that person who gets that help, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards, guys. So you are in a good position, and if people come towards you for some help, maybe monetary help, or maybe for your time, they want you to listen to their problems. So you need to be more helpful, guys. So let us see what is the card for what your person feels about this connection. Hermit, Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups in reverse. With these cards, the energy your person feels towards this relationship is, guys, they feel they are investing too much of their time and energy in this relationship, and they want to validate, they want people to validate themselves. So that may be the reason that they are feeling that they are neglecting themselves, and they are paying their full attention on you, and they feel they are not getting the same feelings themselves. So those emotions are not being reciprocated, and they are working really hard but they do not know whether what to say they want to be in that state, or that is what they feel about this relationship. So they may be thinking within themselves what they need to do, and what is their next plan of action. So they are waiting for certain things to happen, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may what to say get to a point of certain kind of understanding. Maybe you are having a child together. Something happy may intervene this waiting phase, so that may come as a helping hand in this relationship, guys. Some new change, something which you love a lot, something which you are really passionate about is coming, guys. So this may be a child, you are having a child. So maybe this person they wanted to wait about this relationship, but this happy news may change their view about this relationship, guys. So let us see what is your energy towards this relationship, guys. 3 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Cups, 3 of Swords, guys. With these cards, your energy towards this relationship, guys, you would also have felt that you need to what to say move away from this person because of certain things. You would have felt certain misunderstandings, or you would have had some arguments, so you wanted to move away from this person, but certain things are happening in your situation that is leading you to some kind of reconciliation. So that is also the energy here, guys. So you are coming to a clear understanding with this person, maybe this child, or maybe certain situations. Maybe you would have invested in a home together, and that may be the reason, or you are in a live-in relationship, and you would have what to say planned on buying a house together. So that would have, those plans would have succeeded. So that may be the reason for some change in this division, or some kind of misunderstanding, or some separation that is coming between you. But you are coming to understanding, guys. So that is also I see here. So it may be a child coming in your life, and that may be the reason that this whole scenario is changing. You are happy for the new change, and you are happy to have this child with this person you love, and you are overcoming all the negatives that you see with this person, and you are happy and celebrating, guys. Celebrating today. That is the energy with this card, Aquarius. So let us see what is the angels guidance for you all today. I'll be picking one card. It's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us. So whatever is there in your life, we never see. We are so busy with our lives. We go about with so many activities. So whatever beauty is there around us, or whatever we have, we forget to see, guys. So we need to see all that, and always, and not always, or maybe sometimes, or most of the times, we lack that inspiration that we need in our hearts to see the correct things in our life, what we need to do, we need to have that inspiration to reach the goals we want to reach and make those achievements. And we need inspiration to get ideas and opportunities. So in order to get that inspiration, we should be aware of the beautiful things that are around us every day. The rising sun, the cool breeze, whatever it is, a beautiful flower, a leaf, any situation, anything that is there, nature, whatever we like, love, we have to have the eyes to see the beauty. So in order to see that, we have to have a clear mind. So we need to be very aware in our day-to-day life about the things and about the people who are there in our life, and be inspired by everything. And when we are that way, we will just open ourselves to new ideas and opportunities, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment, and thank you. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.